Today we're going to show you how to change your Ford F350 truck key fob battery, which we got right here. First thing you need to do is press the key out, and what that's going to do is give you access to, there's a little knob right here and cutout in the key fob itself. You may not be able to see it on camera, maybe you can. It's right in the middle of the key and it's on this side with the logo. What you're going to do is you're going to take your screwdriver, you're going to put it in that little spot right there, and you're going to pry. Just like that. You're going to push in and you're going to pry, and that's going to open up the F350 key fob battery so you can gain access to the CR2032 battery that's in there that pops that cover right off then. Now, we've got a link to the CR2032 in the description below, so if you want to find one of those, you can. Then all you're going to do is pry that battery out, and you're going to put your new battery in. You got to make sure you've got the negative side down, the positive side up. You're going to slide it into that ledge there from this side, and then you're going to put your cover back on, and that is how you change your Ford F350 truck key fob battery. Now, before you go, I got one big favor to ask y'all, if this helped you out, and I know it did help some of you, is that you can help other people out and you can help me out if you give this a thumbs up and subscribe. And how that works is that the more people that do that, the more the video gets shown to other people. And we're trying to show people how to do stuff DIY, help themselves save a little bit of money. Times are tough out there. It also helps support this channel so that we can make more great content. And while you're watching a video now about Ford F350 key fobs, we do all kinds of stuff. We show you how to use a generator, how to start up a generator. I've had instances where we've got that video, and let's say there's an emergency somewhere, all of a sudden it gets a whole bunch of views because people are in an emergency and they forget how to use their generator, or they didn't know how to use it, or they just bought one and they're in a panic and they're trying to get power back to their house. We make that video and then people are able to watch it and help themselves out when they need it the most. So when you do this kind of content and you give us that thumbs up or subscribe, it does help us. And it helps us create stuff like this to help you save money, help other folks save money, but also teaches you and gives you the tools to do things on your own rather than having to spend money, time, and effort going somewhere and all the things that are associated with that to get something else fixed. And it gives you the ability to fix things on your own. So I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you supporting the channel. And if you could do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it. So thanks for watching this video on how to change your Ford F350 key fob battery. We'll see you next time, and as always, we appreciate you.